Welcome to our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the senior tuber community.
Okay, so before you upload your video, we want to talk about enhancements, because once you upload your video to YouTube, guess what? That's it. Here are your options once you upload it to YouTube. You can trim a little piece of the video in the middle. You can trim at the ends a little, but that's about the editing capacity. And you can add music. Right? And there may be other things that are coming soon, but they're not there now. So if you want to add music through your own recordings or after it's uploaded, that's up to you. YouTube has a complete music library that you could use. And they even have popular music for you. The only difference with that is that the monetization amount is going to be different because they're paying the artist more than they're going to pay you for it. But you could use popular music. And so you want to have your music in alignment before you upload it, unless you're planned on using whatever YouTube has. And you don't have to upload it and then find out. You can actually search YouTube's music, and then you can decide what you will do. So I look up things that are really soft or tender or whatever it is, then I will use that. Try to think here, but you want to make sure that you have permission. So with permission, that means an attribution is to thank you for somebody doing something. They have donated sounds, which you could also upload sounds, or they have donated music, and some of them even donate or contribute images, and you just have to give them an attribution, which is where you acknowledge them.
Thank you for watching our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the senior tuber community.